about the single entry and the multiple entry. If you have a single entry visa, now let's say I apply to France, I do have a single entry visa to France. Now, what that means is I can use that single entry visa, land in France, and then from France go to Italy, go to Greece, go to Switzerland, go to Germany, go to the Netherlands, go to Malta, go to every Schengen area, provided I am not leaving that Schengen area. Now, if I choose to go from France to Greece and Italy, and then I take a flight from Italy to London, I have gone outside the Schengen area, and I cannot come back in without, another applying for a second visa, because I had a single entry visa. But of course, if I do have a multiple entry visa, it means I can go from France to Greece to Italy to Switzerland to Germany to Belgium, and then I can exit, and go to Russia if I want. And then from Russia, I can come back to Greece, because I can choose to land in Greece, I can choose to land in Germany, I can choose to land in any other member state. So when I get people send me a comment, oh, I've applied for a visa, it's my first time, I have a single entry visa, but I want to use that visa, like how do I need to go to Italy and France? No, there are no borders within the Schengen. Since you have a Schengen visa that allows you entry to all these countries, if you get one from Spain, can you land in France? If you want to find out, there is a video, you have to go watch this video, and then, just let me know what you think. So if you do have any other question, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I will respond to it. Now, it's important for you to leave your comments here, because it's from the comments that I get that I'm able to put out videos that can help you. So I hope this was useful. If you liked it, then don't leave without hitting the like button. And then thank you very much for joining me. You have a good day.